Alright, here's Simply Nature brand gluten-free pretzels. Cassava flour. So I like they actually taste sweeter than like normal pretzels. I think it's from the cassava plant, flour, whatever. But usually with pretzels, I usually remove most of the salt. But the texture, I would probably, they're not. It's not bad texture, but I would say it's probably not as, the regular pretzels have better texture, but the flavor had the sweetness from the cassava flour. Really, I like that a lot. Personally, I think it tastes better than regular pretzels. The texture is not maybe as like regular pretzels, but so if you want gluten-free, in my opinion, these are good. Or whatever. The texture's not as the same exactly, really, but the flavor, the sweetness from the cassavas I like, and it's non-GMO project verified. And I don't know what else to say about this. It's the end of this video.